Alright, good evening. How are you all doing? Look at that fucker. 7 days and it's doing my boxing. So, shave day. I've got really bad indigestion. You have to bear with me. Right, brushes in soap. Soap, a new one. And no, it's not the UK WSS or LPL. I'm using this. And this is Juhu by Paranajosapua. So check soap. It's Finnish, so it's from Finland. Comes in this wax paper and it's quite a soft soap, so I've pressed it into the bottom of the bowl. Scent wise, it smells absolutely stunning. Quite a masculine sort of scent. Reading up an old description and oh, she's doing my nutting. There's sandalwood and stuff in it, so just get myself adjusted. So I'm going to crack open the 37C, and for Nolan's benefit I'm going to find the shittiest blade I could find that I don't really get on with. No matter what razor I use them in, they're okay, they're not the greatest. So, and that's going to be a larder. Just like the car, useless. No offence, but I haven't actually tried it in the 37C, so I could be completely wrong. Oh, hiccups. I had mushy peas, not good. Right, I am going to be using the pre-shave. Oh, I'm not having a good day. I'm not having a good day at all. So we've got PAA ice. I'm not whacking a lot on, but I'm just whacking enough on. Drop my brush. Get it all shampooed and cleaned up in a minute. Right, rinse it off. Fine, doing this, just leaving like some remnants behind, it actually works better and it doesn't affect the actual performance of the soap. Right then, let's crack on with the Juhu. I'm using the one cracking brush. I haven't really used it for a little while. Whipping up a lather. Plenty on the brush. Good scented soap this. So yeah, I received the LPL, the UK Wet Shaving Society soap, and Stuart sent me the Juhu. Top man. So if you after any of the Juhu soaps, the Finland from, I don't know the full name. I should have done some research. You'll find them on Shaving Station. And I'll tell you what, the lather off this soap is to die for. Real nice. So, right, the larder's in. Let's crack on. The blade actually isn't doing too bad. It isn't the greatest of blade, but the soap's doing its job. So. Shaving with the hiccups is not the one. Oh, it's doing my in now. Give the viewers something to laugh at. Oh. Okay, first pass done. The soap is really nice. It's got that high class scent to it. It's like a real expensive cologne. The hiccups. Nolan's probably sitting there laughing his tits off, thinking he's going to end up hiccuping soon and slicing a chunk out of his face. Don't blame him, to be honest. Performance on this soap is really good. It's exceptional. Really good. Right, last pass. What these hiccups are doing mine in. I'm telling a lie, these blades are absolutely useless. Third pass and that thing is dull. Right, we're done. Cold rinse. Oh, it's awful. Head shave tomorrow. Going to pair it with the Floyd. It's a cracking splash in my opinion. Oh, lovely. Alright, when I go over the soap, packaging for me is a really low one. What's the fucking point? Okay? It's only good if you've got a bowl to press it into. Soap should come in a plastic container or metal container, not in paper. It's useless. So, packaging 2. Okay? Quality of soap though is a whole different ballgame. Lovely soft soap, fantastic performing, provides everything I want from a soap. So cushion, the glide and the scent are all completely like top notch, and I mean top notch. So soap itself gets an actual 8 out of 10. It's really, really nice quality soap. Just a shame the packaging lets it down. Oh, doing this with the hiccups is fucking awful. Really, really good, and actually a really outstanding performing soap for the price as well. I know I got it sent from Stuart, so I believe it's about 10 quid a puck. Yeah, fuck. It's bang on. Lower the blades, yeah, never again. In all fairness, these are worse than Derbies, and I like Derbies. I know some people like these, but yeah, godforsaken awful blade. So it's going to straight in blade bank, never to be used again. Right guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to get all cleaned up and shampooed out because it's time for that. It's that time that they all need shampooing and brushing and all sorts. So have a good one.